Imagine waking up in 2025 with no financial worries. Your bills are paid, your investments are growing, and you finally have the freedom to live life on your terms. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, Jack Ma, one of the world's most successful entrepreneurs, believes that achieving this level of financial freedom is possible for anyone. But here's the catch. It's not just about what you do, it's also about what you don't do. In this video, we'll uncover 6 habits you need to avoid if you want to build wealth and achieve financial independence by 2025. Each habit comes with practical tips to help you turn your financial future around. Stick around until the end for the most overlooked habit that could be keeping you from success. And hey, if you love learning actionable strategies for personal and financial growth, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of success seekers. First is, avoid living without a financial plan. Let's start with the biggest mistake, living without a clear financial plan. Jack Ma emphasizes that financial freedom starts with a vision. Without a plan, you're just drifting through life, spending money aimlessly and hoping for the best. Think about it. Would you get into a car and start driving without knowing your destination? Your financial plan is your roadmap. It tells you where you're going and how to get there. Start by setting clear, measurable goals. How much do you want to save? What are your investment targets? Break these down into monthly or weekly actions to stay on track. Do you have a financial destination, or are you just driving in circles? Habit 2 is avoid neglecting budgeting. Budgeting might sound boring, but it's one of the most powerful tools to avoid financial stress. Jack Ma reminds us that rich people don't just make money, they control how they spend it. Without a budget, it's easy to overspend on things that don't align with your goals. To get started, track every dollar you earn and spend. Use apps or a simple spreadsheet to categorize your expenses. The goal isn't to feel restricted. It's to understand where your money goes and make intentional choices. Allocate a portion of your income to essentials, investments, savings, and even fun. Yes, budgeting includes fun because it helps you stick to the plan without feeling deprived. Are you controlling your money, or is your money controlling you? Habit 3. Avoid letting money sit idle. Here's a harsh truth. Letting your money sit idle in a bank account is costing you. Jack Ma stresses that the wealthy don't just save, they invest. The rich understand that money is a tool, and the sooner you put it to work, the faster it grows. Start by exploring low-risk options like index funds or high-yield savings accounts. If you're more experienced, consider real estate, stocks, or even starting a side business. The key is to avoid waiting for the perfect time, because the best time to start investing is always now. Is your money working hard for you, or is it just taking a nap? Habit 4. Avoid negative social circles. Did you know that the people you surround yourself with can make or break your success? Jack Ma believes that your social circle shapes your mindset. If you spend time with people who complain about their finances or settle for mediocrity, it's easy to adopt the same habits. Instead, seek out people who inspire and challenge you. Attend networking events. Join online communities of like-minded individuals or find a mentor. Ambitious people push you to think bigger and take bolder actions. Remember, success is contagious, but so is failure. Who's in your corner? Habit 5. Avoid ignoring self-reflection. Jack Ma is a strong advocate for self-reflection. He believes that understanding your habits, strengths, and weaknesses is the key to personal and financial growth. Take time to evaluate your financial choices. What's working? What isn't? Start by tracking your spending patterns. Are you overspending on things that don't add value? Are you investing in your growth? Reflection isn't about feeling guilty. It's about identifying small changes that lead to big improvements. Treat your finances like a business. Regularly review your financial health and adjust your strategies. When was the last time you looked in the financial mirror? Habit 6. avoid ignoring the power of change. Finally, the most overlooked habit is resisting change. Jack Ma often says, change is the only constant. The world is evolving, and so should your financial strategies. Whether it's adopting new technology, learning about emerging markets, or exploring innovative investment options, staying adaptable is crucial. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Take that course, start that side hustle, or research a new investment trend. Change can feel uncomfortable, but it's the only way to grow. Are you stuck in old habits, or are you ready to embrace the future? Becoming rich in 2025 isn't just about making money. It's about avoiding the habits that keep you stuck. From creating a financial plan to investing wisely, surrounding yourself with the right people, and embracing change, these 6 habits are your roadmap to success. So, which habit will you start working on today? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing insights. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep building the life you deserve.